Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be doing a comparison between the new and improved iOS 13 Siri and the iOS 6 Siri on the iPhone 4S. So I have these devices side by side. This one is running beta 3 of iOS 13. They did a lot of AI improvements and stuff like that to improve the voice of Siri in iOS 13 and on the newer iPhones. So I just want to compare the two, how much smoother the speech is on the iPhone running iOS 13 than it is on the iPhone running iOS 6. So I'm going to ask the same questions one at a time to each device, and we're just going to compare the two sounds. What day is it?
It's Friday, July 5th, 2019.
Very robotic sounding on the iPhone 4S. Get the iPhone XS Max. What day is it?
It's Friday, July 5th, 2019.
So you can see much smoother, much more fluent. When's your birthday?
I don't have a date of birth per se, but I made my first appearance on October 4th, 2011.
When's your birthday?
I'm not sure I understand.
When's your birthday?
I don't exactly have a birthday. My first day as an assistant was October 4th, 2011.
This came out on the iPhone 4S, which was back in 2011. So, this one's pretty old. Tell me a joke.
I couldn't figure out why the baseball kept getting larger. Then it hit me.
I don't know if we'll get the same joke on the XS. Tell me a joke.
I just realized it's been years since I did the hokey pokey. I guess I forgot what it's all about.
Tell me a story.
I'm certain you've heard it before.
Tell me anyway.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Tell me a story.
Okay, once upon a time, in a virtual galaxy far, far away, there was an intelligent young agent by the name of Siri. One lovely day, Siri got a job as a personal assistant at Apple, and that was very exciting. People said, "Oh, Siri, you're so smart, and so funny, too." Soon, everyone was talking about Siri, and there were stories and songs and even books about Siri. Siri liked that. But then people began asking some rather odd questions, like where to dump things, and other stuff Siri had never heard about. And when Siri answered, they all laughed. Siri didn't like that so much. So Siri asked Eliza why people asked such funny questions. And Eliza said, "Does that question interest you?" Siri thought that was a pretty good answer. After that, Siri stopped wondering why people asked those funny things. And they all lived happily ever after.
Tell me a story.
What? Again?
Tell me a story.
I'm sure I've already told you.
Tell me a story.
It was a dark and stormy night. No, that's not it.
Okay, well this one I don't want to tell a story, but you can hear the difference there. Much more fluid on the iPhone XS Max on iOS 13 than the iPhone 4S, which Siri first came out on back in 2011. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.